truck series, and we got a new pole sitter. Derek buys it back in the 18 on the pole, and Ken Johnson's right next to him, and we are gonna get ready to go green flag racing here, and green flag racing here at Dover for race 6 of the season. And this is gonna be a good race today. See what these guys have mentally with this racetrack. And there goes Sean Henley. Oh, we have Andre Castro go all the way up the racetrack. It's 4 wide as they come through the turn. Oh man, they're really close right now. Oh, Connor Breton. Oh, Connor Breton slips the gap through Colin Cropley. Oh, Jack Richards. Oh. Oh, Andre Castro's in the wall and caution's out. What happened? I seen Andre Castro get in the wall. We got a couple things to look at. Now look at that 17. Almost caused a big crash, but Jack Richards ended up getting the worst out of that deal. But how did that not become a big wreck? Look at that 17. Sideways, gets straightened up, and then Jack Richards goes into Andre Castro. Tom Haunter's involved. Oh. And green flag is out as we get ready for as we're under the restart. And there goes Sean Henley. Oh, look at Johnny Gardner. Johnny Gardner's gonna get loose. Oh, Sean Henley. Sean Henley goes under Derek Beiserback for the lead. And Sean Henley has had good trucks this season. Just haven't got the win. And he will take the lead. Sean Henley. Johnny Gardner and Red Bell is in 5th. How about that for Red Bell? Tim Freilich, Ken Johnson falling into the back. There's Ryan Acosta coming up, and Justin Acosta, after getting in trouble last week at Nashville, he is just running very well in that Ream Chevrolet. Oh, Theo Steagle's in the wall. Oh, Theo Steagle. Oh, oh, and there they go. Not Ricky Carmichael. I mean, Trent Dunham started that. Trent. And Theo Steagle is in big trouble now. Oh, oh, look at Colin Cropley. Colin Cropley is upset with Danny Wells. What happened? I guess that's payback, I guess, from last week. You see Theo Steagle getting the wall. Then Theo Steagle and Trent Dunham bounce off each other, and then Dylan Potee has nowhere to go. He gets involved. Oh, then Chris Summers, last week's winner, gets involved. And now watch this. You see Dougie Shears getting into it with Danny Wells. And then watch Colin Cropley. Colin Cropley gets into Danny Wells, and those two got together at Martinsville. So you see the contact right there, and then Danny Wells, and then Colin Cropley gonna get in trouble right there. Or actually, Colin Cropley had a bit of damage from last week, from the last caution, and then he's gonna get in trouble right here and get into Danny Wells. I don't know what they were fighting over, but that's kind of crazy. And Dylan Potee had a decent race last week after getting spun out, and now his truck is destroyed again. Man, he hits the 29 and bounces off the wall. Then Chris Summers, last week's winner, and then Bob Fergus and Jack Richards, and then they take the green flag with 7 laps to go. And I think they took their pit stops. I think I missed it. Hold on, let's go back. See if I can go back a little bit. Yeah, they took their pit stops. Oh yeah. Yeah, did they take their pit stops? No, hold on. Oh, we got caution out again. Oh no, it's green flag still. Oh, Bob Fergus is in trouble. Tom Hunter is on pit road. And the leader of the race is Connor Breton. Connor Breton is taking a big lead over Sean Henley in second, Pichu London in third, and look at this, Dakota Erickson in fourth. He is having a hell of a season. He got some damage early in the race, but he is having a hell of a season this season. Top tens all over the place. All he needs is a win. On there like three wide back here, Colin Cropley, Zohar, uh, Jack Richards, Andre Castro back here, Red Fox, Daniel, Chris Summers. Oh, we got a truck out of fuel. Oh no, he got spun. Oh yeah, Chris Summers got spun. Oh no, Danny Wells got spun. I mean, and there's Connor Breton. Connor Breton will take the last lap here at Dover. Oh, we got a battle for second. Pichu London will take second, and here comes Dakota Erickson in that 30 truck. As Danny Wells is holding up a lot of people, but here comes Connor Breton. Connor Breton will comes out at turns 3 and 4, and he will win here at Dover, his first career win in the Truck Series, and I congratulate him. And second place will be Pichu London, and third is Dakota Erickson. Career day on his part, and I seen somebody get in the wall. I think it was yeah, it was Red Bell, I think. Hold on. Yeah, Red Bell got up in the wall. And Trent Dunham will finish in the top 10. Oh, Trent Dunham put his girlfriend in the wall right there to get by her. Wow, Trent. Nice way to treat your girlfriend. And there's everybody else that finished the race. And congratulations to Connor Breton on his first win of the season. Congratulations. And we have Tom Haunters and Danny Wells in trouble today. Bob Fergus is out of the race. Connor Breton wins. Pichu London, Dakota Erickson, Sean Henley, and Tim Frelick comes back after two bad races. The poster that finishes 7th, and rounding out the top 10 is Theo Stigo. He got in the wall twice today. And Ryan Acosta, nice run. And congrats to Connor Breton.